Hey guys, what's happening? How to access airport lounge Wi-Fi for free. So first of all, check your credit cards. Some travel or premium cards offer free lounge access with Wi-Fi, right? And join a frequent flyer program. Elite status can get you in for free, right? And you can use a website like OpenStreetMap to get the best lounges or airport access for Wi-Fi for free, right? Use a lounge membership. Programs like Priority Pass offer access. You can type right here Priority Pass, okay? And you're gonna be able to travel like a VIP, right? Ask the staff nicely. Sometimes they will share the Wi-Fi password if you buy a coffee or a meal, right? Look for shared passwords. Apps like Wi-Fi Map or website like Wi-Fi Map or forums might have the latest login info, right? And use a nearby business Wi-Fi. Some airport, restaurants, or stores have a free Wi-Fi that reaches the lounge area. Now, enjoy the fast internet while waiting for your flight. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.